Hi, I'm Ash from DroningON and this is the Mini Airshow.
Uncloud my mind, take me high beyond the sky into the night.
It's 2018 and it's time for the Mini Airshow. This is its fourth run and it gets bigger and better every time, attracting fans of not just quads but planes, wings, helicopters and much more. This year saw a live drone racing tournament, a tiny whoop racing circuit at night, FPV retailers, repair workshops, even a pub quiz and of course a bar. It was a truly memorable weekend. Enjoy our coverage of the event and comment below whilst you're watching. What's your name?
Chris, or Blood's FPV.
Where are you from?
From Cornwall.
And what are you flying today?
Halo RC Nemesis.
Very nice. Good luck.
Thanks, mate.
What are your names?
I'm Greg from Menace.
And I'm Mikey Dredd from Menace.
And what are you doing here today?
Well, we're at ME4. We've got a Menace team in, and I'm here just repping the company.
And what are you flying?
Alright, looks like we got Gert Lash.
I'm flying the Menace Physics, right, which is a new frame that Greg's been working on.
Is it any good? You can be honest.
Yeah, it's really good, yeah.
Thanks very much, guys.
All right.
Thank you.
Where I can't breathe, I can't breathe. I can't see the ground 'cause we're so high. I can't breathe, but somehow I feel so alive.
What's your name?
Sam Davis.
And why are you here?
I'm here to race.
And where are you from?
Cornwall.
And what are you flying?
I'm flying a Halo RC Nemesis. Little Ripper.
Nice one.
Breathe, but somehow I feel so
alive.
So, what's your name?
Steve Rhodes.
Where are you from?
South Wales, near Cardiff.
What are you flying?
One of them things before motors on. Are they quads?
Okay, so what are your names?
Sam.
Lindsay.
And where are you from?
Essex.
Okay, and what are you here for today?
Driving racing.
Watching them.
Okay, and what do you both fly?
Right now, just whoops at the minute. I've got to get back into it. I sold up a while back.
So you're going to love the tiny whoop marquee we've got here later.
Yeah, that's my buddy Gavin that set that up.
Oh, we had great fun in there last night.
Yeah, I bet.
Pretty deadly. And how about you? What are you flying?
Mini work.
Mini whoop.
Tiny work then.
Yeah. And how long have you been flying?
Literally like a couple of weeks.
Perfect. Okay, we'll look forward to seeing you both from there tonight.
Yeah.
I can't see the ground 'cause we're so high. I can't.
Got a little transponder, flashes out infrared light, sensors on the time gate at the end there, pick that up and there's a number with it. In my case, just wired up to the PDB, 5 volt output. The transponders that John's got available are really convenient. They just connect onto the balance lead here, so you can take them on, take them off.
Nice.
Yeah.
Brilliant. So no specific plugs required on the quad business?
Yeah. No, completely universal, just goes on, sticks on there, powered straight away.
Official wireless transponders, excellent, about £35 each.
Ouch.
Yeah, and you break them easily.
Yeah, I would if I was flying the quad, definitely would break them.
Or just DIY them, make your own.
Ah.
Which is exactly what KQRC have done, and I've managed to program them up.
Brilliant.
I can't see the ground 'cause we're so
So these are the new Fat Shark HDOs. We've got Lee from Painless here. And he's very kindly letting people try them on here to get a feel of the goggles. So first impressions, we want a full commentary here.
Oh right, yeah, it's a little bit smaller, but the picture's nice and clear.
So it was originally built as a sort of maritime reconnaissance platform, so reliability is very important. That's why it's 2 engines to pretty much everything is doubled up for redundancy.
Probably a hard answer to give, but what's the value of the flying plane, basically, the whole thing?
That is a hard one. It depends, yeah, exactly how you ask.
Just besides time, obviously, and effort.
20 grand, but the autopilots are 4 grand.
Right. And I guess the van costs as much.
They were very expensive.
Thank you very much, guys. And what are you doing here today?
Well, come to look at the planes and the quads and to try and get some ideas, because I've just started getting into the quads.
Right, nice.
And I've been flying them, and I've got to the point where I'm just looking for something a bit better.
Are you going to be racing today?
No.
Maybe next year?
Not that good, no. Maybe when I get better.
So your first time with FPV goggles?
Yeah.
So can you see them racing now?
Yes.
How does it look?
It's different to what I expected. It's a lot more, you feel like you're actually on the quad.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I might invest in a pair.
How does that feel?
Different to what I thought it would be.
Yeah? Do you feel like you're on the quad?
Yes.
She's smiling. I think she likes it. I think you'll be racing here next year as well. What's your name?
Phil Parslow.
Why are you here?
Flying drones.
And where are you from?
Well, just outside Newbury.
And what are you flying?
5 inch, 2 inch and tiny whoop.
Brilliant.
Forever.
And what are you doing here today?
I'm here to just kind of enjoy the atmosphere, really, to be honest. Like, it's a nice day. You've got all these nice, like-minded people with like a hobby that's going to be amazing. That is amazing, and yeah, it's going well.
Here's the man.
Just come back from the campsite with the high vis on.
Overall, the Mini Airshow 2018 was a great success, a brilliant weekend and an opportunity to meet some fellow YouTubers. We owe massive thanks to the organisers, but especially to Andrew and Fraser, and of course the volunteers that assisted on the day. Check out miniairshow.co.uk if you'd like to attend next year, and do comment below with your thoughts. Also give this video a thumbs up, and finally, if you're not already, hit that subscribe button for more content just like this. Thanks for watching.